Biotechnology is the science of using biology to make materials and solve problems for human benefit. So that's obviously a very broad area, and so there are many, many opportunities of things you can do. So what we offer here with our biotechnology degree at NUI Galway is a very strong foundation of science, so that you get to understand exactly what it is that we mean by biotechnology, by biology, genetics, pharmacology, those sorts of areas. But at the same time, you understand how you can apply this science to solve these problems for human benefit. Biotechnology is an area which there are many opportunities in, so it's a very dynamic area. If you think about it, for example, we've had personal computers for over 30 years, but we have had our modern genetic engineering tools for less than 25. We've only had the human genome sequenced for the last 10 years, so there are tremendous opportunities, and at the same time there are many challenges, and so therefore there are many things still to find out, there are many things still to do in the area of biotechnology. At the flip side, the advantage that you have with the biotechnology degree at NUI Galway is that it's been established now for 20 years. So it started quite near the beginning of the modern biotechnology revolution, and so it's a well-established degree, and there are people who have gone on from the biotechnology degree to a whole diverse range of different areas. So, for example, they've obviously gone into research, like myself, but also they can go into industrial areas, they've gone into technology transfer and public policy aspects, or even charity areas in science as well, so managing, for example, cancer societies and things like that. What the biotechnology degree at NUI Galway offers is a foundation of understanding, a foundation of science, because this is the springboard from which you're going to develop the rest of your career. So, of course, there's the knowledge, there's the science, there's the understanding, but at the same time, there are real skills that we try to teach students as well. So we've been working quite hard to develop the communications aspect of our degree recently as well. So first year students get to give a graphic presentation in small groups of certain topics that they've been learning about in lectures, and this gives them the opportunity to actually work and discuss and get an in-depth view of their science as opposed to just hearing about it from a lecturer. In the same way, in second year, the students get the opportunity to make a personal presentation to the class, and there they get to explore in a bit more depth. They become the lecturer, so they get to understand what they're talking about. Then in third year, the students do a business studies project. In this business studies project, they design a concept, a biotechnology product, and then they cost it, work out how they're going to produce it, and how they're going to market it as well. And then finally, at the end of third year, they have the opportunity to go on a placement, usually to a country in Europe, so for example to Holland, or to Germany, or to France, or to Spain. And there they work for 3 months in a laboratory. Then when they come back in their final year, they have an individualized research project where they get to work in one of the research laboratories here at NUI Galway on a real research topic with real research scientists surrounding them, advising them and helping them.